Hello, Atsa.
Hello Kak.
Okay, Atsa, you were selected to speak with me today because you meet my research criteria as a research subject. And my research aims to find out how you respond to the implementation process of several learning activities implemented by Miss PP during three meeting last week.
Thank you Kak.
Okay, my pleasure, Atsa. Yeah. In this interview, I have several questions, and in answering the question, you may use the language you feel comfortable with during this interview. So you can use full English, mixed English and Indonesian, or full Indonesian.
Oke Kak.
Okay, can we start the interview at now?
Yes Kak, boleh.
Okay, we start with the first question. Based on your participation in 3 Miss Vivi English Learning class meeting last week, so what material topic have you studied?
Last week itu, we studied about how to make descriptive paragraph.
Okay, how did you feel after attending in 3 Miss Vivi English Learning class meeting last week?
I feel happy
Why did you feel happy?
because the learning is very fun and the material also not difficult.
Okay, so now I would like to ask you about the activity in 3 Miss Vivi English Learning class meeting last week.
Oh iya Kak.
Okay, do you still remember at 3 meeting last week there was an activity that divided the paragraph topic into several parts by creating keyword related to the topic paragraph. Jadi setelah menentukan topik paragraf, kalian membagi topik tersebut menjadi beberapa bagian kecil dengan membuat kata kunci yang berhubungan dengan topik, Atsa.
Kegiatan itu, iya saya masih ingat Kak.
What do you think about these activities?
To be honest, I was very excited when doing this activity. Maybe this is my favorite part in making paragraph descriptive.
Why did you excited with this activity and claim it is as your favorite part in making descriptive paragraph?
I don't know why, maybe because it is easy sih Kak, nggak ribet kayak kegiatan lainnya.
I see. So the next activity, searching and determining pattern for each keyword. What do you think about this activity?
Itu yang mana ya Kak?
Kegiatan ini tuh dilakukan setelah membagi topik dan mencari keyword, Atsa.
Aduh, yang mana ya Kak?
Sebentar, saya kasih contoh ya. Jadi misalnya nih kayak topik paragrafnya tentang my family. Jadi minggu lalu itu kan ada yang tentang my family kan. Nah, keywordnya itu ada 5 kan, ada father, mother, I, brother, and sister. Lalu setelah itu kalian diarahin sama Miss Pipi untuk mencari pola yang sama untuk menjelaskan masing-masing keywordnya. Nah, pola yang kalian tentukan itu ada nama dan profesi dari masing-masing keyword. Jadi polanya di sini itu menjadi arah untuk apa? Untuk apa yang mau kalian jelaskan dalam paragraf. Nah, minggu lalu itu kalian membuat polanya bersama-sama kok di dalam tabel yang dibuat Miss Pipi di papan tulis.
Oh, itu. Iya, saya ingat Kak.
Nah, so what do you think about these activities?
Actually, this activity is new for me and it is easy Kak if we are not in a hurry. But if the time is so fast and we must make it quickly, I think this activity will be difficult. Karena pertama kali saya coba kegiatan ini, saya pribadi kayak bingung aja nentukan dan ngatur pola yang sesuai. Jadi emang harus pelan-pelan sih supaya bisa konsen mikirinnya.
Tapi bagaimana perasaanmu setelah beberapa kali mengerjakan latihan-latihan dalam menentukan pola kata kuncinya, baik itu secara berkelompok dan juga individu?
Ya, I feel better sih Kak. It's not very difficult and the first I try. Mungkin karena kurang latihan gak sih Kak, makanya merasa itu sulit.
Yes, that's right. If we got a new thing, we just need to try more and more sampai terbiasa. Karena kalau misalnya kita udah terbiasa melakukannya, pasti tuh jadi kayak sesuatu yang mudah.
Bener-bener Kak, saya setuju banget sih.
Okay. So now we move to the next activity. What do you think about this activity? Removing and replacing repetitive word or sentence that are necessary or unrelated to the topic of the paragraph before the sentence are combined into paragraph.
Ini kayaknya yang gabungin beberapa kalimat jadi satu kalimat itu kan Kak?
Yes, that's right, Atsa. So, dalam proses menggabungkan itu, bagian-bagian kata atau kalimat yang berulang dan mengarah pada pemborosan kata akan di-remove atau kayak dihapus gitu. So, what do you think about this activity?
To be honest, I like this activity
Why did you like these activities?
because it is very fun. challenging, and examine my skill in make a good sentence.
So is it easy for you to do this activity, Atsa?
Yes, of course, it is easy, Kak.
Wow, it's a good Atsa. Okay, the last activities. Applying, composing, and organizing descriptive paragraph by inserting topic point based on a paragraph structure that have been arranged with keyword and pattern sequentially. There are three sequence. First, inserting the main sentence, supporting sentence, and last one is conclusion sentence. Jadi ini kegiatan yang terakhir ya, Atsa. Kegiatan yang ini loh, apa namanya, menggabungkan kalimat utama, kalimat supporting dari masing-masing keyword yang udah disusun, dan kalimat kesimpulannya itu tuh menjadi satu paragraf secara berurutan satu persatu.
Iya, Kak.
What do you think about this activity?
For me, it's very easy, Kak, not difficult at all.
So why you think it is easy and not difficult?
Because it just put all sentences that have been made before to be one paragraph in order. Therefore, I don't need to think hard again.
So, Atsa, after following all this way, how is your opinion regarding the process of creating descriptive paragraph using the teaching method implemented by Ms. Pipi?
I think Mrs. Pipi method is very helpful and be a good ways to make descriptive paragraph.
Why you think it's very helpful and good?
Karena bisa membantu saya dalam membuat paragraf yang benar dan juga bisa membuat saya tidak confused dalam memikirkan apa yang mau dibahas dalam paragrafnya.
So you mean Ms. Pipi teaching method help you in creating descriptive paragraph?
Yes, Kak.
Okay, Atsa. So I think the interview is finished. Thank you for all your answer in this interview, Atsa. See you in another chance.
See you, Kak.
Thank you.